Okay guys, I'm going to do a real short shooting video today. I didn't realize it, but I've only got about 7 or 8 minutes of battery life left on this camera. So also it's starting to get dark. I feel like it's starting to mist rain just a little bit. So anyway, I'm going to do a little AR shooting and a little AK47 underfolder shooting. I've only got 20 rounds in each of them because I can't stay here very long anyway. I've got a couple more frozen milk jugs out there I'm going to shoot at. So let me get the camera set up and we'll do some shooting. Okay, here we go. See it, empty on the AR. Now let's get this AK. Underfolder, Romanian model. Let's see if we can do the other jug. I'll show you guys the jugs here in a second. That one just destroyed the whole jug and ice and everything. Empty. Now let's see what we got down here. There's the AR15 jug. Can't really see it too well, I don't think. There's the AK jug. That second and third shot, man, I guess it done that hole right there. And it was plumb full of ice. I froze it overnight. Anyway, just a short little shooting video. Thanks for watching. See ya. I'm going to show everybody what my deck is starting to look like. This is a buddy of mine came over the other day and we shooting some rifles here. And here's all the spent cases. It looks like a small war has been going on back here. Let's see, look at all those. They're everywhere. All the way back here. Anyway, alright. Thanks guys. See you.